The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 7:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Monterey County in central California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 7:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Pico Blanco Campground, or 10 miles north of Big Sur Village, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monterey, Carmel Valley Village, and San Clemente Dam. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.